Hi, welcome to Adventures with Captain Ray Kelly. I'm here at Dubois Park. Got the drone on the landing pad, and I'm flying with Steve Barnett. He's got his drone on the landing pad. He's over there getting ready. And we're going to send the drones up. It was foggy earlier. We had to go to Berry Fresh and have breakfast, wait for the fog to lift. But now we can see the Jupiter Lighthouse, so we're going to send them up. Come on along. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel now. And if you hit the little bell, you'll be notified of our newly released videos. All right, Steve's ready to take off. How you doing, Steve? What are you flying today?
Mini 4 Pro.
There he goes. He's up, he's out of here. He's gonna be heading to the lighthouse.
How about that?
Even on a cloudy day, it's great to fly here at Dubois Park. This boat knows that at high tides you can go right straight out the inlet, but at low tide you can't. Let's get back to the lighthouse. I brought the Mavic 3 back home because I wanted to fly the Neo 2, but I'll show that in a separate video. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to watch my live weekly podcast on Thursday nights at 7 p.m. Eastern. And let's get kids hooked on drones, not drugs.